Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with a powered clipper and the guard you plan to use. This sets your baseline length and prevents mistakes. Once the guard clicks on, run the clipper along the inside of the wrist to confirm cutting power and noise tolerance. Position the cape and use a hand mirror behind you so you can see the back. Make sure hair is dry or slightly damp. Wet hair lays differently, so cutting dry helps you judge the finish. Begin with large motions to remove bulk. Now work the sides in controlled passes, moving the clipper upward against hair growth to create an even baseline. This avoids patchy results. Once the lower perimeter is uniform, switch to the longer guard for the area above to form a graduated transition. To blend, tilt the clipper and make small vertical strokes where lengths meet, easing pressure to feather rather than create a hard line. Check symmetry, often by comparing both sides in the mirror, and adjust before moving to the top. For the top, use scissors over comb or a longer guard and take off small amounts. This lets you control shape while preserving length. Once the top is balanced, switch to the trimmer to crisp the hairline, around the ears and at the neckline. Move slowly to avoid creating uneven corners. When done, brush away loose hair, rinse the neck if needed, and use a light styling product to set the look. If you see an unexpected line, switch to a slightly longer guard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.